Almonds, such a versatile nuts. Like, you can do so much with almonds, and excellent for weight management, great for your heart. So when you can use this almond to make something which is not considered healthy, like a pizza or a flatbread, you can add almonds and make it more healthy and reduce the guilt level when you eat that thing. So we're going to do a roast chicken flatbread with almonds. So I have some roast chicken sliced, little bit of red chili tomato sauce, bit of a black pepper, goes very well with almond. We'll add a little bit of almond flakes, a little bit of coriander leaves to give extra color, peppers, I've got a nice mixture of all these things ready with nice almond, chicken, pepper, coriander. Wow. Now my whole wheat flatbread, I'll put a little bit more of my tomato chili sauce so that it becomes nice and moist. Wow. And here goes my chicken and almond mixture. Almond is like, it gives a nutty flavor, it gives texture to your dish. Then I'll give a little bit of cheese. Spread it evenly so that each and every bite has got almonds into it, along with chicken and all. And you don't need roast chicken, you can use any kind of a cooked chicken, leftover chicken tikka, leftover paneer, leftover vegetables of your last night's dinner. You can use anything. But the only things, remember, keep almonds with you and make sure you add almonds into it. And see, my flatbread is ready to bake. Now we'll put it in 180 degrees in a hot oven and just, I think, 15 minutes. Perfectly fine, because everything is cooked. You have to really make sure cheese melts, it oozes out, almonds become more nutty and slightly brown on top, and then you can slice it and enjoy your healthy pizza, almond healthy pizza.